Okay, so hello everyone. YouTube just made a new update in July 15, 2025. It's going to impact everybody. And everybody has in making a video that new YouTube policy will ban faceless AI YouTube channels. But the real truth is they already gave a reply to the AI video and what will happen to AI video. First, let me read the AI policy here. We're making a minor update to a repetitious content policy to better clarify the includes content that is repetitive or mass produced. We're also renaming this policy from repetitious content to inauthentic content. This type of content has always been eligible for monetization under our existing policies. So this is a old update or the old policy. They're just making it new and making it good. So they're going to remove the inauthentic content or mass produced contents that can be made with AI or any other software tools that are used to create videos. Does that mean that AI videos or AI voice or faceless AI videos that we create will be also demonetized? As you can see, if you read the policy, there is no clear suggestion or clear recommended that you cannot use AI voice or AI video. But YouTube already gave a response to this. You can actually monetize your AI videos. But nobody create a video about that, and they're just saying that AI faceless video will be banned. YouTube will demonetize this type of channel. Everybody just created videos like this. But YouTube already gave a response to creator question about YPP policies 3 days ago. So we have seen confusion around a minor YPP update coming July 15 and wanted to share more information and answer top question we have seen. So the top question is, will using AI in my content be violation of inauthentic content? No. We welcome creators using AI tools to enhance their storytelling, and channels that use AI in their content remain eligible to monetize. So YouTube is saying that if you use AI voice or AI videos or any other content creation that you use with AI will be monetized. All channels must follow our monetization policies. So this is the new policy that they share, which is you cannot use inauthentic content or mass-produced contents with AI which have no value. So here are some example channels that going to be demonetized according to the rules. You can see this channel is creating videos with this AI bot and AI thumbnail. As you can see, these are repetitive content and mass-produced content. So this is a risky channel to be produced. You can easily get monetized by the new policy. And also this kind of channel with Reddit stories. They're just using some compilation videos and use just this type of thumbnail. You can see their thumbnail is not very creative. It's really going to be in the policy of the mass produced with AI. They're just using some compilation videos, and these also use some image or stock footages and just text. So this type of content maybe will demonetize if you create this video with AI. So this policy says right now that we welcome creators using AI tools, and your channel can be eligible to monetize if you use AI. So just follow the monetization policies. It doesn't matter if you use AI voices, AI videos, you just have to be creative in your video. A channel that uploads narrated stories with only superficial differences between them, just like the channel I showed you, that channels will be demonetized in future. A channel that uploads slideshows that all have the same narration, exactly those channels have the same narration, same topic in those videos. So if you can upload slideshows with different narration, with different voices, with different image and different edit that you have to edit in creative edit, slideshows can be monetized in YouTube. So you just have to upload the slideshows with creative edit and without the same narration. So that's it guys, this is the video that I want to share with you. AI videos can be monetized, so don't fall for the YouTube videos. So don't fall for this type of videos. They're not showing this, they're just giving you some bunch of gibberish policies and making you clicking these videos. This is official update and response to creator from YouTube itself, Sarah by Team YouTube, Google employee. I'll share this link in the description box. You can find this and read it for yourself. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe and thank you for watching.